Man, I am having a rough day. We're gonna begin by taking an eyebrow pencil and sketching out the placement of the wax. I recommend placing them on more flat areas as I found the wax stays better. Feel free to edit and redo until you like it. Now using Ben Nye's ear and scar wax, I take the back end of a tweezer to scoop some out. I begin to shape it, but make sure you use an emollient on your hands before you work with it as it is very sticky. Pressing it into my face, I start with the ends first, then go in on the sides. You want to make sure that the wax blends seamlessly into your skin. Try to leave a good portion of the wax in the middle. Taking a small fluffy brush, I go in with foundation and stipple it over the wax. Make sure to be gentle and do not rub, as that might disrupt the wax. I then blend in the rest of my face. Now with the edge of a pair of tweezers, we're going to go in and start carving a line. I also do zigzag motions to make the line a bit more jagged. You don't want it to look perfect. With a small fluffy brush, we're going to go in with the red, blue, and purple of this palette. Gently stipple this around the edge of the wax to give a more bruised effect. Time for the fun part. Using this fresh scab, we're going to take a small liner brush to fill in everywhere we carved out. Grabbing some stage blood with a Q-tip, I fill in the wounds even more. You can have as many drips as you want, I just went for a more subtle look. I finish by blotting some blood around the wound with a beauty sponge to add some splatter. This is the finished look. Fun, easy, and can pack a punch. It's also very comfortable. Thanks for watching. Bye!